The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. From the moment you pull up, you will fall in love with this home. Located in a 55-plus community on one of the best lots in the neighborhood. Home has 2 bedrooms with bonus den, 2 full bathrooms, soaring ceilings and open kitchen and living. Outside you will find a 90 RV spot on concrete west/full hookups, workshop and storage shed. You'll love the open deck with private views and a large screened-in sunroom. This neighborhood has wonder amenities including additional parking for boat or RV on property, not to mention the pool and clubhouse. For more community, visit wcrvr.com. Lawn mowing included in your extremely low HOA dues of $40 a month. Neighborhood is located off of 165 within 5 minutes of Highway 65 and 10 minutes to Branson and Table Rock Lake. Call today for your private showing.